Hi guys, I'm Suhasini Sharma. I'm from an engineering background, working in TCS for the past 2.5 years. My percentile is 99.5. I have received calls from C, L, and Acceleri. For CAT preparation, my strategy was I divided my time into three parts: level 1, level 2, level 3. And for the first month, I covered only the basics. The second month, I went to the next stage. And the third month, mostly concentrated on mocks. And wherever my weaknesses were, I was mostly concentrating on them. I gave huge number of mocks, and that helped me a lot. Right now, I have come to time for my GDPI preparation. I attended my economics class yesterday, which is good. They basically give you a very huge idea that you have to go through. There are a lot of things that we need to take care of, and they give that basic idea. We also had a PI session, which was for 40 minutes, and it was, I guess, terrific. I could know where I'm standing right now. I hope the coming classes will be good as they were yesterday. All the best for them.